Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my third botany class of Standard 9 about cell division. In this class, we are going to talk about some of the important significances of mitosis and meiosis. In the previous class, we have discussed about the stages of mitosis. We have also learned in the stages of mitosis about karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Today I will explain about the significance of mitosis and meiosis. At first, the significance of mitosis. Number 1. Mitosis maintains the balance between cytoplasm and nucleus. We know that there is a specific ratio between the nucleus and cytoplasm of a cell. We have learned that during mitosis, karyokinesis and cytokinesis both occur. So, by the mitosis cell division process, the balance of volume and amount between nucleus and cytoplasm of a cell is maintained. Now, the second significance of mitosis. Mitosis helps in the growth and development of zygote. We know that all the multicellular organisms start their life from a single cell, that means zygote. Through repeated mitosis cell division, zygote increases the number of cells. In this way, an organism grows to completion. So, by the process of mitosis, zygote develop. Now, third number significance. Mitosis keeps chromosome number constant. This is very important significances of mitosis. We have learned that mitosis cell division is called equational cell division, where parental cell divides into two daughter cells. Here, each daughter cell contains same number and types of chromosome like the parental cell. So, chromosome number remain constant in both cells, that means parental cell and each daughter cell, by the process of mitosis. Now, fourth number significance. Mitosis checks cell size and maintains volumes ratio. Through mitosis, the cell is not increases very much and cell does not shrink also. So, a standard cell size and shape are maintained only by the process of mitosis. It also maintains volume ratio. Now, fifth number significance. Mitosis helps in repair and regeneration. Suppose an injury to living tissue caused by a cut, blow or other impact by which the skin had cut or broken. In that cases, through mitosis, wounded part reform cell. In this way, mitosis helps to organism in healing of wounded part. On the other hand, the lifespan of some cells of organism is limited. When these cells are destroyed, then mitosis helps in replacement of that damaged or lost cell. As for example, our red blood cell. We know red blood cells lifespan approximate 120 days. After 120 days, the red blood cells are destroyed. Then, through mitosis, again new red blood cell produced. Now, the sixth number significance. Qualitative features remain unchanged by the process of mitosis. As identical daughter cells are produced from parental cells through mitosis. So, the qualitative features of the living world remain unchanged. 7 number significance of mitosis. Mitosis helps in reproduction. It helps in asexual and vegetative reproduction. The asexual reproduction happens by forming a spore. This spore produced by mitosis cell division. Mitosis helps in increasing the number of reproductive cells. Now, I want to say the bad effects of uncontrolled mitosis. We know that all the physiological activities of a cell are controlled by nucleus. In the nucleus, chromosome is present, which contains gene. Actually, this gene controls all the physiological and functional activities of the cell. So, mitosis also remains under control by the gene, which is a balanced process. If this control is lost, that means this balanced process is disturbed due to any reason, then cell division occurs in an irregular or abnormal way. For this reason, tumor and cancer cells formed. So, tumor and cancer are the result of uncontrolled and irregular cell divisions. Different type of germs, chemicals and radioactivity can be responsible for uncontrolled and irregular cell divisions. Actually, papilloma virus is responsible for tumor and cancer. This virus contains gene E6 and E7, which are produce a chemical substance that displays two protein molecules. These two protein molecules helps to control cell division. For this reason, irregular and uncontrolled cell divisions occur. Then tumor and cancer cells formed. Now, let's go to the next topic. That means the significances of meiosis. Before discussing this topic, I want to give some informations about meiosis. At first, I want to say shortly about the introduction of meiosis. We know in this process, 4 daughter cells are produced from an eukaryotic cell. Here, nucleus divides twice, but the chromosomes divide once, and the number of chromosomes becomes half in the daughter cells, then the parental cell. Now, why meiosis is occur? Mainly, meiosis occurs in the primordial germinal cell. This is primordial germinal cell. During the developments of gametes, that means during the developments of reproductive cells. We know for the sexual reproduction, the union of male and female gametes is required. If the number of chromosomes in the reproductive cell would be the same as the somatic cell, then the zygote would contain twice number of chromosomes than that of the somatic cell. Suppose the number of chromosomes in a somatic cell and the number of chromosomes in reproductive cell of an organism is 4. In the zygote, the number of chromosomes would be 8. So, the new organism will have body cells with 8 chromosomes, that is twice than the mother organism. If every life cycle of an organism continues that way, the number of chromosomes would be double again and again. But due to the process of meiosis, the chromosomes number become half in gamete cells before the union of two gametes. Hence, the chromosome number of a particular organism remains constant because of the process of meiosis. Now, next topic. The significances of meiosis. First significance of meiosis is formation of gametes. We know gamete cell contain haploid number of chromosomes. Unlike the parent cell, contain diploid number of chromosomes from which gametes is formed. So here, because of meiosis, the gametes are formed which has got haploid number of chromosomes, and comparing with parental cell, it gets half number of chromosomes. So formation of gametes only possible because of the process of meiosis. Now the second significance. The chromosome number remains constant. That means we know for the sexual reproduction the union of male and female gametes is required. If the number of chromosomes in the reproductive cells would be the same as the somatic cell, then the zygote would contain twice number of chromosomes than that of the somatic cell. Suppose the number of chromosomes in a somatic cell and reproductive cell of an organism is 4. In the zygote, the number of chromosomes would be 8. So, the new organism will have body cells with 8 chromosomes. That is twice than the mother organism. If every life cycle of an organism continues that way, the number of chromosomes would be double again and again. But due to the process of meiosis, the chromosome number becomes half in gamete cell before the union of two gametes. Hence, the chromosome number of a particular organism remains constant because of the process of meiosis. Now, the third number significance. Assortment of chromosomes. That means the parental and the maternal chromosomes, they are assorted independently of each other. This is only possible because of the process of meiosis. Without meiosis, the parental and the maternal chromosome would have not assorted simply. Now, the fourth number significance. The features of living organism stay the same generation after generation. In sexual reproduction, one male and one female gametes fuse together. After fusing, the number of chromosomes remains the same generation after generation. In this reproduction, the number of chromosomes becomes half in the reproductive cells, that means gamete cell, then the mother cell, because of the process of meiosis. If meiosis did not occur, the number of chromosomes would be increased generation after generation. Then the offspring will be fundamentally different because we know that chromosomes contain gene. This gene controls all the features of living organism. So, at last we can say that the features of living organism stay the same generation after generation, which is possible because of the process of meiosis. Now, the fifth number significance of meiosis. Genetic diversity is found in species of organism because of the exchange of gene which occurs during meiosis. This exchange of gene happens due to the crossing over. During packaging stage in the process of meiosis, crossing over takes place. Now, you think that what is crossing over? Crossing over means chromosomal crossover. So, the exchange of genetic materials between two non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome is called crossing over, and in this way they produce recombinant chromosomes. Now look at the figure. This is homologous chromosome. That means these chromosomes are almost same in size, shape and length. The position of centromere is also same. This is sister chromatid. This is sister chromatid. So, sister chromatids means individually each chromosome contains two chromatids, which are called sister chromatid. Okay, but the chromatids of two different chromosomes called non-sister chromatid. These two chromatid comes from two different chromosomes. So this is called non-sister chromatids. Here, two non-sister chromatids exchanging chromosomal segments. After that, they produced recombinant chromosome. That means recombinant chromatids. Look at the color, then you can easily understand this matter. So, due to crossing over, there is possibility of getting variable nutrients in the organism. In this way, that means by the crossing over, genetic diversity occurs by the process of meiosis during sexual reproduction. Genetic diversity increases the possibility to survive in a changing environment. These are the important significances of meiosis. So, in this class, we have talked about the significances of mitosis and meiosis. I hope you understood everything. If you will face any problem, you have to contact with me. Thank you everyone. Take care and stay safe.